Hello, this is just a quick video to show you about some possibilities for sharing curriculum and instructional resources among teachers who teach the same class. The resources can be stored in the Bloomington Wiki server, and that is under stream.bloomington.k12.mn.us. And when you get there, you can click on the lock up here to log in, and you'll log in with your normal Bloomington username and password. And then once you're logged in, you can go to the list of wikis. You can also, of course, follow the direct link to the particular science wiki once we have it set up. I've got a science sample set up right now just so I can show you a few features of the wiki and some ideas on how it can be used. First of all, we would probably have a separate wiki for each science course or grade. So there could be a 6th grade wiki, an 8th grade wiki, a biology wiki, a physical science wiki, whatever people are interested in. And a wiki can do a number of things. One thing you can do is you can link to a shared Google collection. So a lot of people are using Google Docs now. You can upload all sorts of files there. You can also just have Google documents in there. And when you link to a collection, you get sort of a nice list of, this is an 8th grade science example, sort of a nice list of all the documents that are in the collection. And the really nice thing about this is it sort of auto updates, and so anytime anyone adds anything new to this shared collection, it would show up in this list automatically. Over here you see the contents, and so there's a place to put a little description if that is helpful. You can also click on the document and sort of see the full preview for most types of things. It depends a little bit on the type of the file. You can see the preview. Once you're in the preview, depending on your rights, you can maybe edit it right here. If you have editing rights, a lot of the things you would only have view rights for, you can click up here and open it in your own Drive account, and then you would have your own copy that you could make changes to or do whatever you want to with. So that's one way the wiki can be used, is to link to some shared collections, which is sort of helpful. So there's the shared collection again. You can also embed YouTube playlists. So a lot of people are doing things with instructional videos, either that they've created or that they've sort of compiled from other places. And when you create a playlist, you can embed that right in the wiki, and you can then sort of see all the videos in the playlist down here at the bottom. And so this is a math example, obviously, and you can jump to a particular video. So here, if we want to, we can keep looking. There are 32 videos in here. If we want to see something about absolute value equations, we click on here and the video will just start playing. We can open it up in YouTube. We can watch it full screen. We can go back to the playlist and see all the videos there. Another thing you can do is you can upload files directly to the wiki. So I uploaded a PDF file here, and some files it works all right for. You can get a preview that sometimes looks okay, so you can sort of see what it looks like before you download it. Otherwise, you can click here, and the file would download directly to your computer. The math department has several wikis that they've been using quite extensively. They sort of got this started before Google Docs was really even around, and so they didn't really use the link to Google Collections at all. They just uploaded files directly. Can just give you an idea of what that looks like here. This is the Algebra 1 or Intermediate Algebra Wiki. Some sort of general stuff, and this we could definitely do with the Science Wiki as well. They have separate pages for each chapter or unit, and when you click on a particular chapter, then there are all sorts of resources. So tests that people have uploaded, some tests from the publisher as well. And so that's one way to use the wiki. So hopefully you find this intriguing. If you are interested in pursuing this further for your grade or course, please talk to your science quality assurance team member, and we'll see who's interested in maybe doing a seed event where people get together to get it started, get things organized, get some initial content in there so that then it's up and ready for people to use and share. Thanks for listening.